Hello. Let's look at how to add routes into Dock. There are 3 ways that this can occur. The first is the user moving the route manually via view allocation. The second option is allowing your carriers or partners to select a collection time. Or the third option is to manually create a reservation within Dock itself. Let's take a look at all 3 options. Option 1 is with the user selecting to issue the route to Dock starts from the application called route. For this example, I am going to choose a single route I have prepared. I am going to use the top route, which is in status of active. If I right-click on the route, I have 2 options to publish: to connect or to Dock. As I want to allocate into Dock, I am going to select Publish to Dock. Once done, the status will change. The carrier selected cannot see this route at this stage. I now need to access Dock to move this to send to carrier. When I access Dock, it will direct me to the current day of operation and on the current Dock view. To locate the route that I have just issued to Dock, I need to use the Create Reservation tab, which will provide a new option called View Allocate. Within the right of the image, you will see the route that you have issued to Dock awaiting to be allocated. If you click in the blue box called Accept, it will change status to yellow and will update saying Drag to Slot. If you drag the yellow box to the left and locate the collection time you want to use for this route. Once you have dragged this route to a time, the carrier selected will be notified of the route offer. So that's the first option. Now let's look at your carrier or partner moving the route to Dock. So again, this method starts from the route application. This time I am using the bottom route shown in active status. By right-clicking, I get the options again, but this time I will publish to connect. Once status updates, this will send a message to the carrier of the route directly. Let us now look at the carrier process. I am now logged on as the carrier, and if I go to connect, I will see the route offer. I need to click on the blue box with accept or reject inside. This will open a new window. The route now shows yellow box named Drag to Slot, and on the left is the loading schedule for the account. As you can see, I can only see free slots available, others are blocked so can't be used. I will then drag the route to a slot that is free. Once done, the carrier has taken this route and will complete as instructed. Your Dock view will update. The final process is the creation of a route directly into Dock via Create Reservation. With the Create Reservation, you can create a movement directly, which when completed and saved will then transfer to the View Allocation section to drag to a slot like we completed on the first method. Here is an example for your viewing. Thank you for your time, and I hope this video supports you with the functions of Dock.